what say what Lagona, or your fewer, or your river. If you not do what say Lagona, or your river, more time. They not about if not done as Lagona, we not winning. But don't give a hunger, if you not do what say Lagona, you and your Nelly or your stupid followers. Infinity Saga, all your stupid followers, plus yourself actually, if you not do what say Lagona, or here we were. Why go? On a matter, what are they? Oh, but up here women, in no time said Lagona women. But there matter, don't give a banana. Get go and get jamais. Et we not job what c'est vague. Et we not job what c'est vague. Et we no love c'est vague. Okay, en groupe. Il y a every night, every morning. Il y a un go work out sur social media. Oh, was jara toari. Oh, was jara. When I tell you, il faut passer. Il y a go gazonki. Oh, was jara. Child, calm down. Il y a go on the boy. We have one warehouse as well. Warehouse now, completed beauty now. When I have bad on them, more as well. You bought it cash. I clap for you. I will celebrate because to my easy. But still, people don't have peace on social media. You are trying to feel like a dunga. Okay, you're a boss. Okay, my dear, you don't get level. One not get. You are where I first say better place. But now I say a bit fast. Health and love. My dear Madame Atuari. That was Mr. Dr. where he beated my wife in naked she. Ereda ya zebo. Iwa yera kakabo. Ijo no kwa yera kakabo. Iju we always sneak iju we la money. Iju we ma zebo. Or ma zebo first, ma zebo second. We have like baby dinner. I will go to one. I will go to one. I will go to one. When I help my lady. You always coming to do saga in a very wrong way. Madam, you the saga be saying na me by Sharon. Eruka we mo gbe Sharon wa. We mo be no gbe Sharon wa. Eri ma jealous Sharon. Eri Sharon me go gbe. Eri o fe gbe. Eri only do money. You have accused me of so many things. Madam, come and prove it to the world. Come and tell the world when you have gbe Sharon wa. But you can't prove it. You are not trying to go another way. Oh, yeah, want to saga me. My dear, why they tell me kita ulagwa because anyway we need to get there. Now school. I don't big up to take a followers and get dead by any other. That's all you can get from it. And do it there. I mean, look, and all those lies you have given. And if you say you love your followers, always tell them the truth. You don't love them. With Balia, your cage in there, and then never wait Balia. I was having my bula, my neck, I am even one on the way. You have tied your destiny. But please do it. We can't react with the because of Zoyahin. Women as well react with the let me have people react because a neck be all the way. I know many of your followers. I guess we are any minute. A followers what men, the more get to Zua, my neck boy. When you were say where your mates have left you long ago. Every day you're there. A second page or so.
Social media, how na do my darling people. Good afternoon. As I come back, I say make myself in the kitchen. They cook my dodo. They cook my dodo. May we listen to what happened last night for Facebook because again I have here my darling me worry. I not get where they follow do social media competition here now.
Guys, share me out. Join me. Share me out. Just like comment, share me out.
Like and love the video. Let's listen.
Monica, Brucey, Zouad Besha. Anyway, if you're messing with live video, now this I got well. Oh God, oh yeah, master me.
Oh yeah, dodo.
Oh, I don't have to read like a kita. Why did we? Even like a kita with live video. Oh God, Monica. Zouad Besha, it will be no one where all that.
So now don't hear this.
See you look. Sometimes, maybe if you were to get video where aren't you? If shame was a name of a human being, we're supposed not to say shame. At this stage, 2024, you're always coming out with lies. We wait for more who you were called, Monica. Who you were called, God. Even I have information where you are calling, they don't tell you the truth. After that, you were not be where you were to I thought you had to care very well. It was the mother was not even first. She was second. Each one was an Osman snatcher. A such a no, I'm not even a bear. But you are coming out to come and look like, hey, help married women, help this one. You are too bad, God, man. You're disgusting. When you say somebody is disgusting, I regret ever knowing somebody like you. You are a shame to every Benin woman. You are a disgrace. When you say so,
you say I regret ever knowing somebody like you. Hey, yeah. Really, my darling. You regretting? Why now? I regret him, man. I regret I be able settle. A skeleton lady, we be una sister. He say make una dey forgive. Or when we are forgiveness, he get a forgiveness or mercy. You understand? Eh.
It's a disgrace. Monica, you are a disgrace. Today, I've been very busy with my people. People, now them every Paris, all those ones they cut small saga. Now they see. Because someone like my mom is stand watch her. Go be like I see the one where AB just tagged me now because I didn't even come for this. This is not why I come here. Now Sharon my mama and end the ground. So you know if you distract me with this.
But you used to watch before. What happened? It wasn't sweeting you at a time anymore. Hey, yeah. Now so it be. You used to sit down there and watch now. The same thing they were doing to you, they lying. Not be say saga, but the saga is not there for a long time. The time saga was there when most people had not known the whatever. The time you used to listen to all the other lies and whatever, it was sweet. That is how it is anyway, shall. Let's listen.
All those normal lies when you lie for social media, they
normal lies.
Erika, you get some calls I call they get today. When I'm going to say, you might pick a call because you know to that saga here. We are told you don't want to go, you don't want to go, Monica. And because it's your business. When you talk, you need to more would you work. You don't want to go.
Hello.
As long as you work, you don't want to because it's getting too much. I want business. I mean, if you love your followers, if you love them, if you cherish your followers, say you love your followers, tell them the truth. Tell them followers when you your zoo. I mean, no matter leg bend on the way. Tell them the truth at least. Well, I love them and saga people with truth. They always come online to come and lie.
Why am I where? My dad, what I don't understand. Not to say she's not right, she's right. But why am I also like when I expected the truth? Or am I blaming one now? When they talk and they repeat them for streets. Eh, if you can't reach on a body now, say me they use truth to follow not effect. Hey. Can we watch any one I am but on your manners work? I am here truth to bad. They see truth for them. Only a come and understand why you can't be safe. If you don't reach on a tongue, why do I go live? I can't have it and go. Come and do it to me the truth. Come and do it to me the truth. The time you people will enjoy it there. Oh, I went through to Waga River. That was the same thing. The truth I mean, the truth if you want to, the reason why Mama Sharon go there now is because he want the truth to be covered. Now get me then make can go there. Una know say Mama Sharon case so he get the way where he be. Dead body still dey hospital. Mama Sharon they use picking where they say where they fight case they seize they use and collect money for social media they go. You don't even tell people if not be easy way come break now. People be not know. They were not bold enough to say Italian government has restricted the body from coming out. Can you imagine, my darling people? A social media.
The only why problem you lie too much. Really? And you're not even ashamed of it. Okay, you're not even feeling it that for your mind now, who were saga, ekita masowe. Look at you not led them in live video. Can't you even look at yourself and say, why am I doing this? A mother is here working now. You're a mother. Is your one the way you're every day? Who like video more than 7-8 times for what? Because one work. Because if somebody who is healthy will not come to that video every 2 minutes. Hey bro, I don't come anywhere you reach, you are always fighting with people. Come on, school with you. Let's want to go all the friends you don't make social media. There's no one who may be at the life. There's no friends. Oh, this one is a good person. Hey, mama. I want this one. What's my okay? Yeah. I don't want to mention names, but please, can you upgrade yourself? You are too local for my liking. Like you're too local. Any time we are with the truth. Every baluba because when I not say me. One thing I always stand for is the truth. I'm not going to bend my mouth.
Say it.
Today I just push you small. I push you. Yes, somebody called me. Definitely, somebody called me to beg. Imagine you have Facebook and every year Sharon because I block year Sharon.
This is really one of the reasons I'm playing this video, Sharon. The part where concern Sharon for inside, not be all this everyday chihuahua doggy people. I will keep on solo dead all these dogs and whatever where the whole world don't know. When is their time, you see all of them saying the truth. They will be repeating what you don't repeat tire. The time you will be saying it, they will be fighting you, telling you that it's not true. When it don't reach their body, all of them will come out with the same thing and be shouting, dog, dog, dog. Now today we know. This one will be the Sharon so. This is what I'm really having interest on. To say who call Izzy to leave the matter. Let's hear it from her mouth, my darling people.
Yes, Sharon, the day you return me, that day block me. So I didn't write to DJ Sharon or calling her. People have been calling me since from my city, from radio. And maybe there was one that called me. I know she was there. The person was there with the marshal. Easy, I beg now. Where you they go now? Drop them. I know they drop anything. Guys, possible. I will take a lawyer and I will file a case against you people.
That one I think is good.
What is your problem? Come and beat me.
Thank you so much.
You have lied on my head, called me names. I mean, you were your stupid, idiotic followers in ITLA. I'll just say now. What's another one? Then you were Monica Atwari no get dokolo. Then you were telling on a guy matter. What the followers were. And you were telling a guy matter. Oh man, what would down? Oh man, but they are not telling do a banner and not do what I don't have. Who can follow us and not do what I don't have. On your fever. On your river. If you not do what I don't have. On your river. More time. Then what I
wake up this morning as I go school. How are you, my adorable lady? As I go school now, I see her. When my fans put up for my WhatsApp, it happens in the night. Now I say, hey. Me, I will have my time to see this one when I come back from school. I want. I thought I saga we or let's say I get where I did go. Or I just did ask that day. Me,
we not be for those who not do us you and your nearly all your stupid followers. Infinity Saga, all your stupid followers, plus yourself actually, and you not do whatever gonna. All here we were.
Come and join me to eat.
Why go? All I matter, what are they men? Oh, but all your women, and not that about one women. But they matter, dog, and Panama. Go as a kick, and we know job was a bad one. And we know job was a bad one. And we know what is a bad one. Okay, I'm good. Every night, every morning. Yeah, and we're going to the social media now. All was Jara to oh, was Jare when I tell you for us, I didn't like this. Oh, was Jare. Child, calm down.
According to this girl, he said people when they call that name, he said they're not the finish for winch. Agbaka. Yeah, for was. Agbera bane. Agbera zen a long time.
We have one warehouse as well. Warehouse now completed beauty now. When I have bad on and warehouse you bought it cash. I clap for you. I will celebrate because to my easy.
Yeah, the same people will celebrate the something. A social media need no balance. Now this one that they call life not balance, my darling people. A life in a mental balance. The same people will even know the truth will celebrate and they can't come out by themselves now say now warehouse. They know the truth, but they just decided to do it because of Pepe Day. Now they are now opening up. Salubwa. Oh, see, oh, give my better one, no say, Managbirayan. Agbiravan, oh, Jay, Agbiravan, oh.
But still, people don't have peace on social media. You are trying to feel like you're doing that. Okay, you're boss, okay. My dear, you don't get level. Why you not get?
What's a one piece? We get to Totarians, maybe not their set, but that's it. APC, Boffiara. O si ani mana ye musi. Limagi na je nia o. Mama kuwe mamuse o. Limagi na je nia Magi na je nia o. Limagi na je nia o. Mama ni dini ma kuwe o. Makega musi. Wale pisi. La wa ya le peace kin wari you cause all ma okpo fiara. I ma ekwele jane wo we say cause we have left the past behind us. Yes. Yes. We are peace. We give people peace. Why do one wa dori e wo bomeni ah? Wa dori e wo go me okpo fiara. Hey. I ma ga ile dian APC kpo fiara ma ro pa ma ese no withdraw APC ma mari ogo wa.
We no ya say e be fast. How far for? My dear Madam Atuari, if Ada was Mr. Dokolo where he beated my wife in naked she. Reda ya zebo. Iwa era kakabo. Ijo na sa era kakabo. Iju we always sneak iju we la money. Iju we ma zebo. O ma zebo first, ma zebo second. We have that that green. I am go jubo. I am go jubo.
Another way marriage.
I am go jubo. You always coming to do saga in a very wrong way. Madam, you the saga be say na me by Sharon. Eruka we mo gbe Sharon wa. We mo be no gbe Sharon wa. Eri ma jealous Sharon. Eri Sharon me go gbe. Eri o fe gbe. Eri only do mom. You have accused me of so many things. Madam, come on.
Marriage is very important to woman and go do marriage. If you know that you have not done your marriage, go and do your marriage. I mean, na ya get marriage. You never know let you let say. No matter how you wrong, go right, wrong, go left. I will marry you. I'm going to you. I'm begging you. You people should have followed and done the right thing. Do the right thing. Do your marriage on time. Like why I be done. You want to the day you are in Rome. Be as feeling your phone is answer you down. If you're a girl, I'm going to do marriage. I'm a sa. I want the one coin. Ariela wa. We see person for a brother. We no copy anyone. Please go and do marriage. Marry a woman nicely. I beg any of you to Natalie Yapia. A mammy, I'm a beggar, a man, fia, man. A marriage, you know, quite naked. Now, family, where you want woman for house, now they tell the man, say, no worry, marry, you day your back, or now they agree, make the woman say this, you know. Now, you be that one. Not to say because your papa and your mama not there alive for you, you don't go marry, they don't go pay your bride price, when they marry you the way they tell the married person. Do the right thing, and don't be ashamed of the matter of the word. Marriage is very important. The way people want to talk. Who are the people?
Madam, come and prove it to the world. Come and tell the world many yak besharon wa. But you can't prove it. You are not trying to go another way. You want to saga me. My dear, why is it? I'm not going to tell you. Kita ulagwa because anyway, only a doggy there. Now school. I'm a bingo to work at followers and you are dead by any way. That's all you can get from it.
No, we are dead.
I doggy there. I mean, with all those lies you have given. And if you say you love your followers, always tell them the truth. You don't love them. With Balia, you can't.
A doggy there. What I've dead before. A man in my yard, then maybe a sad what they do and the Russian time.
Yeah, and another word Balia. I was having my bula. I don't my neck. I don't even know anywhere. You have tied your destiny. But please do it. We want to react with the because of loyalty. We want to react with the let me people because I know many of your followers. Address where any men. A followers what men, the more where get to zoo. Money where I say where your mates have left you long ago. Every day you're always complaining about this. There's no friend who make a shot with another dog. Ever.
Let me hear that place again.
See that in the friendship. Because we better succeed with us, man. I've never heard you my Sharon be there. When I want to make the Sharon work for more than 10 years, he might be there. All my friends nearly Kumaropa, Classic Gloria might be there, Samede might be there, Elizzy might be there, different friends in the life in there, might be there. Because I've always been genuine. I open my heart to my friends, they open their heart to me. And we have been friends. I've never come online one day to tell you, Sharon, I go come saga you today. Then saga was a here. Now saga lolo. I go saga meg. I go saga Kate now they also we no saga Kate. No get now also we saga Nogi. I mean on my saga so saga we give wait Monica give wait.
The job be like waiting I talk some time ago. This wait something where should they talk so is that when something is too common it loses value. That is one thing people don't know. When something is too common it loses value. You know, they get value again. Yeah. That's whatever it is, if it's too common, it lose value. It will lose value as if it never existed. That's one thing. That's why they will tell you that somebody want to carry 3310 and come put 3310 for grand phone. That one phone for where iPhone be. There was a time where this person will get 3310, no go green me you use and touch. If you want to touch, I go say, hey, handy man. Especially those men those days in Nigeria. Go say, handy man, 3310. I love them these days. So that is it. When it's too common, it loses value. It's just more like past glory. It's not something that treats people anymore. That's why you see most of these people, the one she's talking about now, they can be talking to me, I'll be doing what I'm doing, especially when I want to concentrate on something. I will never answer them because they are not even talking. It loses value. I only talk when I want to, not when they want, because there's no value there. Which value? Nothing is there. You can go and come back, you meet them at the same place where they are. Nothing they change. Hey, yeah, another person is repeating it again. Now, wow. Waakbe ye wa wono guwa admin na hiale na yakota. Wa atene na. O guwa ngini mino yakota fune. Una o come dey talk of this.
Like why you way be like Ekita. This sound of there. Easy country. Madam Kerevo. You look so stupid. Hey, you should not tell you wait come where. If you wait come where you even again will be without a camera. Yeah, come away. Even if you meet there, can you sometimes, after live video, can you sometimes just go back to your videos and look at yourself, the way you look, so ridiculous, so stupid.
Sasa,
you just saga my late friend, wait, don't buy.
Come on,
you don't my planning life for me. On my planning life, on my meeting doga. Actually, where doga, they have got no. It's not my planning life, but on doga, the one is just to tell you there now. That's why we're planning life, you go. We're not the abandoned house. I never see you. I renovate. Tina, I see they renovate. Which kind of house now? Let me call them. After I get that video. Which kind of house? Now? And now they renovate. Oh, I now abandon. I'm not sure where pay say 2,000 pounds you want. 2,000 euro. I'm not sure say even reach 2,000 euro. Also not carry. You do a cash, yes, a cash you have done maybe 2,000 or 1,000 euro. Because 1 year money me second. Una there, renovation one fall. And I want to bought from scratch. You're coming to talk to somebody who has seen life.
Only have to egbo. Me the happy me okpe o releva was here. Oh, yeah, I don't know where I even put them. According to Izzy, say na abandoned property. Abandoned property, I don't know where you go and put. Maybe the people a creo jamuwala jamuwe derio.
So when we say no more. Or we are doing the mofi. You may be. Uma biedo. Ema na ya gbegbo kan. Uma biedo, Monica no zuo. Ela mo na ya gbegbo kan.
Eba ti Jesu no gi.
Apawa making na mi omo de. Me me do wa e fia wuju wa o.
Iga gele da ga
so ma bi ne no bi se yo na fia wu. Ayo bo ya mo ya gine mo. E ma de this boy be na ya enable me downstairs. Here wa mare ya we ya bie. 2024 e mo we ya gine. 2024. Na ma meti wa IVF. I say, well, a pastor, I give a don't have the assist. When I am more yakime, I am more yakimofi.
Now, IVF, that one too. Igeme, see what I'm hearing on social media. They say na IVF, na that pastor do. That one way bounces that day. But if na IVF, you don't pass so far if you do and work for her. But she would have said it now, maybe to motivate people. To motivate other people who are looking for, not to come and be giving thanks to maybe. I know say that kind of person, if you want to give thanks, go give thanks to pastor. You know, go thank God. They are supposed to thank God. Don't go and thank pastor. Thank God that the IVF, well, not everybody that did IVF succeeded. If what she's saying now that an IVF you do, if it's really true, come out and give thanks to doctors. You see how many years I think they go school now. You know, easy to study medicine. After we don't do all this sacrifice, you can't go to thank pastor. You won't give us our cap. It's not good. Not good at all.
No more. Hey God, it shows your level of stupidity. It shows how damaged your brain is. But then they ban away at 2024. And I'm saying surrogate mom. I think where imani weko even for those who don't even have womb, I never think we're going to be near beer. In 2024, you come out and say, Mama, I'm a beer, I'm not with your co. How can you prove it? You're always lying to your followers.
Okay, she started telling the IGF story. Yeah, she has to. As a person who is a person of the social media and a person of the world, such thing. Meanwhile, go remove fibroid. I know hide down. Who I want hide down? Who the social media? Who are they? These ones, dogs. People where they shout. After they shout, finish the entire house. So what did this stop? No. If you are a real motivational speaker, you start from yourself. Your body is what you start from. Not only to be telling people, come and join me to say congratulations, when something that is supposed for them to hear about you. Talk about yourself. Don't be afraid. Are you not a human being? Before you talk about human being, about the deficit in other people's life, have the ability of talking about your deficit without fear. So what is it? I don't understand. Life now so will be one thing or the other. If you know your hands are clean, say it. She should be able to talk about the IVF. She shouldn't be afraid of anything. Just say it the way it is. That's what life. You can't be motivating for many years on social media. I never thought, say, hey, they can't worry me. I can't go to hospital. I can't do this one. If people tell you say this, you'll be afraid to say this. No. It's not like that. Be free to talk about yourself. Forget the word. The word are always there. Say that they contradict. But later, if they sit down inside the house, maybe what you talk about, who one can talk about you is passing through the same thing. You understand? So they will just be cheating themselves also. Now, social media, yeah, do what they call fibroid. I don't born finish. I go hospital, I remove one. I still put on for the whole world, me everybody saying. Not be person where I tell for phone. Not be go can't talk my own story. Like I don't get it. Or family member when I tell say see one thing, I go can't talk my own story. Like I don't get it. I don't understand. Why another person should be able to say something like that, I cannot say it. Me where they motivate people. Everybody will tell me their own, or they follow that they talk. I know I can't talk my own. That's why people have to learn. If you are bold, talk about yourself. That's where your strength is. If you see people who have been able to talk about themselves in the public, they are the most strongest people. There's nothing you can do about them. You can't do them anything. If you are hiding your own, you are a weak person. That's where weakness starts from. You are weak. You can't face the world with your own self. That's why you are weak. You'll be running about people, running after people's life. Where is your life? Do you have one? Showcase it. Let's see. Now be always say, God help me, oh. I bet those ones. That's the reason you see a lot of people. They'll be telling you that it's fake, it's fake, it's fake. Because you're a human being. Where is your deficit? Whatever is it that is complementing your life, there's supposed to be a deficit. A human being will have deficit and complementary. So you are talking about the complementary. Where is the deficit? It's not balanced. The scale of your life will not be balanced. So people will be skeptical about whatever you are saying.
To your stupid followers who don't have sense.
Yeah.
I'm only a beer at it. Believe social media at your risk.
When I can't follow me, shop
hey, is your best Sharon? Izzy, the out of jealousy. Oh, we don't even stay. Sharon love to stay in my house. We to one all the way Sharon. Three of Sharon's house. We the three of Sharon's house. Oh, women. When you watch it, you guys like to show up on social media.
Go to the storehouse.
You like to tell the world, oh, this is what I have, this is what I have. I just bought this pot, I just bought this spoon, oh, I just bought this wig, oh, they gave me a gift. I don't live that kind of life.
You see what I just said?
I have reasons for it. Sometimes it's good to show people what God has blessed you with.
You see what I just said? That's exactly what she just said, man. God, give me shoe. God, give me shoe. Where is your deficit? The what will complement your. You are talking about your complementary. What about the deficit? There is no human being without deficit in this world. Living 5 years on social media, you can't be able to talk about yourself. You don't have a life. The life you have is dirty. That's why you are hiding it. There is a dirtiness behind whatever it is that you are hiding. That is why you see. So that's what it is, my darling people. Let's listen to this.
So sometimes when you are showing off too much, it also can affect your people around you. So sometimes learn to celebrate quietly, learn to thank God quietly, Let's go give God the glory quietly. So you coming out of social media and coming to accuse me severally. A fan were very big.
Somebody say, Izzy, what you go do for India? She go India. I bet she don't say Indian clothes. She go India. I've not heard that one before. I think in Portugal they say she go. Eh? Hello, Mama Sandra. DJ no bohu wato. How you dey? Indian. Dore.
One of yours, very big fan, came to me and said, "And the Monica, when I made like, if you want just one, I get me address. Oh no, why address you? Or why you give me money? Your own fan. They sent me your address in person.
Social media.
You know, monona, we bo my monona, and then my year boya monona hero. A ben and a fed in a monona.
Oh, come.
You don't start me with things like that. I don't get bothered because now in this era we have science. Okay, we're in school. We're in school, but you still don't have brains.
Ah.
I think your brain, you think everywhere is under your feet. Because they are under your feet. You will not come online or not go a Friday. Or my son no den of him if you saga agoyane. Wa agbali go here no more 36 years old. Monica, when do this go about say?
Now the amount you say go India. Ah, now the amount I better talk another thing.
In social media, do this go about life. Una review, no wune, review ekwere. Una review tio ere pa me nwa ere ozu no, ere mabule no review. Monica, ere ma be review we bie.
Ah so.
I'm not tired because
she show her passport online. She has been going to India. What did she do? She buy things there or whatever. Human hair, they say human hair. Now Indian she they go buy because she gets big shock for being in that time. Azo. Nice.
Like you know, the second no. Whatever you do must always come back to you. It is just the law of nature.
That one is true.
Whatever you do to somebody's child,
I always say the law of
it will
nature.
bounce back to your own.
Yeah.
It is just the law of nature.
Yeah.
That is why in this life, in anything you do, make sure your heart is clean.
And your hands are clean.
Make sure you have a pure heart. Because my great grandmother told me that thing. She said, "Oriwe anwa, ohonye ati ewe anywhere we can market e seke nujo we
Not the work.
ever way." You know, many hours I don't jump and pass because say I choose friend. I decide to play with friends.
I beg my darling people, Mama Sharon do video. She don't do video. Good afternoon, everyone. Mama Peter Amorodion, good afternoon. She don't do video. I don't understand though. My darling people, many things this street. In short, plenty. Go reach the one where they say Sharon, they seize the body. Where they come, they carry the body, when they do service on song, in short, they seize the body. Oh, Italian government never released the body. So which one they say they want carry good? I've been out this one they want cover. Now I person way be say the way they were just dragging Izzy online. The way the family were coming out to drag the girl and everything. It's like they were covering some stuff. So why the people when the Mama Sharon they talk to, why they not tell them say they sue number one? Or why they not also tell them say hospital Nova, they don't want to release the body of Sharon? Why those things were not outside? Those are information that are supposed to be outside. Not only Bri-Pikin, yeah, there is a selfish interest behind it. So this information relating to Sharon as a public person, are the people not supposed to know? Even if they are doing donations or whatever, they're supposed to know, my darling people, to say, "Oh, man, I donate now, but yes, is a for now." Hello, Izzy Wato. Okay, yama oni atanya oni zipo boeta. I'm a trick of here. I this but you go no road, they'll say they want money. When you reach the real information, they know they bring a comment. They'll say me Izzy can't talk that one. Okpamen or Rogo, your mamma winning it bay. A self-interest role, no cause an enemy. A secret no waru you get the medali people. Or see everything I am with the matter. Who power ya and woman in your cover. Oh, yeah, jata, who wearing it being ya no make ordinary thing. A body language or speak. Where is it time of have a video na banner? Or where the way you do like dog, the body language speaks volume. A body language of here. Try to see their body language. You'll be wondering, why are these people shouting? Why did they shout to this level of this? Why the way they carry this matter, there is a hidden something behind it. They want to use Izzy can't use the matter to talk and say, okay, there's this Sharon, but the Sharon is a public person. Why did they una fit tell people say una want money from people? But una not fit tell people say una sue. Una not fit tell people say they see Sharon dead body for hospital. Why? Me man understand the way we man. If it's only to just, why are you people only interested about money in this life? Money. Make up time, in a way, a Kenije Sharon Gari. Now, once you go to know, say she have a lot to cover. It's too easy to know. It speaks volume by itself.
You know how many I don't jump and pass. Why I feel they jump and pass? Because my heart clean. When your heart is clean, no matter what they plan against you, it will return back to sender. You have accused me. My Izzy and my mama Sharon. Is down. No, is down. It didn't know how to say is down. Any other thing, I am a father. No, we just make the video. I go on man what worry. For those who know here, I don't man where I go to. Or we have to say, where I go to. Who is Wozo? A more than where I go to. He can't go. Who even have a mixer? Anywhere I plant your turn, you will get it. You will get it. No. Then it will be too late. Better change your ways now. You can now hold the down.
My darling people, somebody called me from that same Radio Emilia this early morning. So when I closed from school, that was the first man I talked to. The person said, the man said, for this Radio Emilia where we did so, or for Italy where we did, if somebody really buy and you sue hospital, they know they release that body. It's the job of the state prosecutor. They will keep the body of that person for further investigation. Yes, Sharon body was really held. They never really released her. I see your video early morning written. I make me call you. The news is true. We have the newspaper. They not release the body. Yes. But why they not talking for social media? The man said, what I don't understand is what they are dragging Izzy for. He said he still wants to understand what they are dragging Izzy for. He is not getting it because they are not straight. If they use Peking, they can't enter Izzy body. When they use Peking, me, I dragged Izzy, yes. But what I dragged Izzy for, Izzy is doing it already. She came out, she explained what happened. That's what I dragged her for. I wanted her to come and talk. It's not possible because I know that Sharon not figure belay, you won't born, you will leave and why. So I said there was a reason, and there was really a reason behind it. So what the mother is still dragging Izzy for, I would have loved to know why. Because it is so obvious that there is something behind it. This woman talking just now, we call me say, they want me Izzy, they talk the whole thing by themselves. What did they know where they believe saying a secret? No kunuzi ladian. Or is it a way of bullying her to stupor so that she will keep quiet, she will not talk again? I don't understand. I think it's good for social media to start asking this time around, what is it that they are dragging Izzy for? Because waiting I hear for men my video, when Izzy analyze and half or even year round. Because some of these people, I can't listen to them. Their body language is not good. Their body language is too... You can't really hear them. They are there for fight. They are not to talk about what is on ground. You understand? So body language will first of all drive you. The way they will just be shouting like big bulldogs. When Izzy play Omozuo video, he talk and for inside say, Omozuo talk and say, Izzy know about Sharon property. I was like, now property you not the dragon for. Why parents don't know about her property? I don't understand why family would drag another person for property of another person will die. Why don't the family just sit down on live video and talk about it by themselves to say, we know. Let them, like them they talk. The boy way near and now will be Okpame, that one not talk. The mama, he not talk. But the mama, they drag Izzy. At the year when they say, mama na oda shawo, mama na oda shawo, he gets sense, he know everything where they happen, he know how they pinch person. Why are you pinching her? Can't you say the thing you are preaching her for by yourself? Must other people use your mouth and talk for you? Meaning there's something you are hiding. I've been saying it. Me, Rita, I know that Mama Sharon is hiding a lot. Plenty. She's hiding plenty. A lot and a lot. So a way of dragging Sharon is a distraction to the real truth. Because Sharon and the mother are the people who have problems, not Sharon and Izzy. Not Sharon and Izzy. So it's too obvious. Okay, if they say you know they go the bury and I know they put body, or you know they do it, make it shift, you must say na wahala. Say why you want shift? If you join, you must say you want to take una family share. Are you people using Sharon to cover a lot? Using Izzy to cover a lot? Because the one where we see now, the small thing where we just hear, only 1-2 times where Izzy don't come out. Now Izzy man to for year and say hospitals. Izzy even talking that day. He say una sure say that coffee where they carry say Sharon body day inside. He say I bet not forget that thing. So why were they very fast to come to the public to look for money? Were they really looking for money to take a lawyer and fight the hospital to get money? Or they really wanted to really take Sharon to Nigeria? The idea of taking Sharon to Nigeria is premeditated. Because for abroad, if you dig person for ground, if case don't start, they will root that person from that ground. If she was poisoned, if there's any toxicity behind her being sick, yes, nobody know now whether when you remember Sharon and the mama, whether poison matter happen. Nobody know. But the fact that they say na so headache on the warrior. But I will not forget and I will not lie. Italian newspaper write down for that newspaper say, look at what they write. What did they say Sharon was diagnosed of? Let me quickly read that one here. It's the Italian newspaper. They write and say there's a particular disease where they say Sharon gets. I went on go look at. I went to do small research about that whatever. They call it subarachnoid hemorrhage of the brain. Hemorrhage of the brain. And the symptom where they follow that thing they go. Now headache all the time. You know? Headache all the time. The person go to get headache all the time. And a headache, they say carry Sharon go hospital soon. Abi? Alright. Let's say this is what Italian said. But what did the mother say? May mama talk. What did they do Sharon? Sharon is a public person. What was her problem? According to Italians are saying that it don't say when they say make Sharon come do operation for head. She not come. That's what Italians are saying. Although they are not doing the case of mass slaughter against the hospital and the doctor. No, hemorrhage now, when person, hemorrhage is about bleeding. It can bleeding maybe true because of tumor or a growth or something, I don't know, but there was a bleeding that is happening around the brain tissue. Also, you know, that thing, do you know that the lifespan of that thing, you know they say, if to say that thing where Italian right, if the diagnosis is true, person not they live long with that thing. If you don't treat it, unless they treat them with operation, they will remove the blood and then they will close the vessel where it burst. They will close the vessel where it burst. Somebody say, yeah, hemorrhage has to be approached on to keep the person alive. Because if you don't operate hemorrhage, it will not work. Hemorrhage also they cause what they call stroke. Not the stroke that they call it. They cause stroke also, that thing. When people go to bleed from some. It depends on the part of the brain where it happens. It can also make people slow. They'll be very slow to speech. They won't be talking normally anymore. You know, their body language will change. Everything about it can also affect the motor of the body, which is the moving, the motor of the body. The people will now be slow. It can also affect the sensory organs of the body. You understand? So, if to say this girl really get hemorrhage, somebody say, I am sure she refused the surgery out of fear. God bless you. Maybe she refused the surgery out of fear. You understand? But even if she refused an out of fear, she not trust Italy. She have documents. She would have gone to maybe another country to go and do it. Because if you look at the newspaper, what the Italians are publishing about her, they are publishing that Sharon is aware of the fact that she was having a brain hemorrhage. They call it subarachnoid hemorrhage. When I went to do small research about that sickness, I see and say, oh, now when the brain will bleed, maybe person where don't get problem. That thing can happen because of a lot of things. One of the biggest causes of that thing is stress, wahala, problem. And these people were not settled in their family. Maybe na person where they see in my mind, they always get fear. Because you understand? Stress they cause when you carry a lot too much in your head to bed and you carry and sleep. Your vessels in the body can clot. After clothing they burst, or even before clothing they burst, they become thin. Because blood pressure and another thing, your blood will be high. Maybe Sharon Izzy know all this thing because she says she know the medical condition of this girl. So maybe she know her. So high blood pressure is another causes of that thing. People who get high blood pressure, who don't take care of it nicely, who don't do follow-up nicely, can burst a particular vessel in their body and it will lead to internal bleeding. You understand? We're going to build up blood for some part of their body. That one is understood. But Italian, according to them, according to this newspaper, when I did Zanzan since this morning, when I did go deeper, this newspaper, Niziriela Diana, that is what the Italian said. To say she is very, very aware of what was wrong with her. You understand? Maybe she not. Maybe that's why I want the mother to talk, or people want the mother to talk. Is it that the mother does not know that Sharon already have a brain hemorrhage, that nobody was taking care of her when she gave birth? Nobody was there to treat her. Nobody was there to help her. When she gave birth, she was stressed alone, going to go and buy things alone, doing things alone by herself. How had her mother intervened? Now, because of the problem she was having with the mother, was she abandoned and neglected? Because some people are not saying online, she's big enough, she's big enough. Yes, a person can be big enough. That's why we need one another. Sharon not get husband for Nigeria. You not get for Europe, you get for Nigeria. Who does she need? She need people. Her friends, her mother. But if her mother is fighting with her friends, yes, they can shift. If her mother is fighting with her friends, yes, they can shift. That's the truth of the matter. I use you do friend. The only thing your mother do to me is to bully me, is to fight, is to complain that I thief you and she don't have your time. She have problem with you. She don't want to have your time, but she's always angry that I'm around you. Yes, I will take my leave. Yes, I will shift. That's the truth. You will do it. You will they watch me, so you will do it because I don't know the problem 100% where the family you now understand, my darling people. Nobody want to carry another person problem for their family like that. But Italians, so according to what Italians they talk, they say Sharon no, what they doing. So if that thing they come, if they happen to a lot of women for this abroad, they get migraine. Every time migraine will they worry them, headache will they worry them. If you're always having headache and having migraine, it's a very good thing for you to go to the hospital. You are there to do what they call scan on your head, either through CTRO or MRT. You understand? Or MRT, your brain needs to be scanned so that they will know the reason. Because another thing, pain, headache is pain. And pain is a sign that something is wrong with your body. Pain is not a good thing. Anywhere where pain is a protecting something, protects your body. It alerts your body, it's a warning sign. If you are noticing pain in your body, it's just a warning that there's something is wrong. So you have to follow up. That is why pain comes. People who don't feel pain, that's why you see, they will come get one sore. Not to feel pain is a bad sign. So feeling pain is a very good sign. It's alarming something for you to quickly take care of yourself. So when this girl, they always get headache. She's not a person who is supposed to say you are born alone. Hemorrhage occurs through traumatic experiences and also surgical complications and can cause death within 6 hours. It's not allowed up to. People can live with it. They can live with it if it's easily detected and operated. A lot of people go to YouTube, you see people who share their story about hemorrhage, not the cancer where they spread. It's to say that in this good country where we did so Germany, waiting, I don't understand. They are doing it to people with, although after that one you need what they call a correct life care. Not because they run, follow work, run, follow money, run, follow stress. If your mom do stress, no. You need a correct life. Quietness, coolness, care. A person, you don't need to pass through trauma again. You don't need to pass through problematic again. People don't need to stress you again. Everything where they around you must be environment that is conducive. People where they conducive to stay with. People where they understanding. Because our people are not understanding. You see, that's why you see a lot of people, they decide to be alone in this world. Not that they want to be alone, but because they have seen and noticed that to be with some human beings, it's better you be with animal in the bush. You know, when you are living with animals, it's better than living with some human beings. So Sharon knows say this thing they do and not be so. Somebody came to my comment section. He said na easy talking to say Sharon get a brain. He need to do something. He said na easy invent that thing. So because I saw that comment, I went to the newspaper again. I saw that it's not easy that invented it. It's Italian hospital that wrote it. So commenters, what is some of them they carry around? Our people, they just like to blow light just for lying. No. Now Italians talking. Now waiting Italians write for newspaper. Now waiting Italians they talk. Now easy repeat for social media. After the dragging, where they drag them. You understand? So these people who are dragging easy, what we don't understand, they have to say what they are dragging this girl for. And it should be clear. Because it's not clear. You keep person. They carry newspaper come out. They say na waiting kill am be that one be. So if the mother really knows say na Sharon kill am, why she not come talk for social media say she sue? Why is she suing the Italian hospital for negligence? If to say that this girl really kill Sharon, okay, let's say that this girl really do one. So why is the mother suing the hospital for negligence? Why is she suing for such millions of euros? And why also they seize the body of Sharon? They didn't say it on social media. To say the body of Sharon is seized. Or they want to tell us that the body of Sharon is seized. They never release and it's still there with Italians. So the money where they gather for outside, who they gather them for? Then if you know whether they agree, maybe they bury that Sharon for Nigeria. The possibility can be there. As long as they don't already investigation, they don't they finish case for 1 day for hospital. For abroad case the last years for grant. Years. A murder case. Do you know the case that the mother sued for? They are suing for manslaughter. They are suing for manslaughter. Which manslaughter case they finish in 1 month? You say you want to carry the body go Nigeria in 1 day. Or after that one. But like I don't understand. Like is it logical, my darling people? Manslaughter case is many years case. If to say na Germany, for the first 1 year is investigation, no discussion. The dead body, they will not bury, but they will put it somewhere. Because it's a state property. Investigation is on it. Somebody say you took the rush, you know they finish one. Okay, all right. You understand? Investigation is there on that thing, right? Okay. If to say they never do investigation finish, abroad where me and you day since all this while, then they do investigation of manslaughter for 1 month, or 2 months, or 3 months. Then after they can't talk and do and finish, they will just carry the dead body, give the people, say me una come carry, me una carry and go Africa. The possibility of Sharon not arriving in Nigeria is very huge. These are the secrets that are inside. Yes, my darling, thank you so much. You know, say when we go high in your best. Yeah. So the possibility of the white people not ever giving Sharon to the family is big. The possibility is high. The possibility can be there that the Sharon body is something that is on ground for investigation. The Italians will never allow it to fly. So there was a manipulation that happened for them to quickly want to use Sharon to collect money in the public. That manipulation, the mother is very aware of it. So, why is it that the mother did not speak about the sue? Why is it that the mother is not talking about seizing Sharon's dead body? So, when one time you say after they do investigation, they'll release them. I've been 26 years abroad. Autopsy na 60 days, yes. But do you know that even after autopsy, Italians will not allow that body to go home? That is a body that the case is in court. Yes. No human up the murder case where they do for 1 month, 2 months for abroad. That is a case of years. That is why they thought say case no good because they last long for grant. Not be 1 day. So that one, my darling people, me personally, I will rule it out because this one will not come out. All these people where they shout like big good dogs since. Why is it that they have not added this thing to it to say Sharon body is being seized? Newspaper writer, you people going to say that the Italians are lying. After giving the body to the family to go and bury in Africa, then they will be doing investigation. Then they will not be saying Mama Sharon will be sued then. So where is their evidence? Who are they doing court case for? Where is the person? Hospital will never release the body of Sharon. And the body of Sharon. Somebody say whenever they finish, Abi. So how did they know when they want to finish and they started looking for money to go and do burial in Nigeria? To go take the body. That is what they said. That is where the problem is. Taking the body to Nigeria. Which body? And why and how did they know when the case won't finish? Can they explain to people? How they want to know, say case won't finish, then they'll come for collect money for grant. When they want to carry the body. Why were they trying to quickly make decision of removing the body of Sharon away from abroad? From Europe? Why? Now, not the hospital tell them, say, they carry Sharon body come on for Europe. So, why did the decision of now saying we want to remove the body? Because this is exactly what everybody was complaining about on social media. Why did you people want to bury a person who have 2 children abroad? Mother abroad. Brother abroad. No family in Nigeria. Is it that you wanted to sue Italian for negligence and you want to remove the body quickly? Who advised you people? Maybe it's of recent they make that sue. So what about the money they have collected in the public? You see, that's why people not good made in the rush. You have the intention that people will come and plan with you to go and make a sue of million. All right. After making that sue of that million, why is the mother not sitting down to talk? Opa may enter live video, their senior brother, I know if he talk anything. Because if he talk any small, he never even talk. Only quietness, they don't say you hate your mama, you don't like your mama. Why are they always bullying every source of information to stupor? Why are people not having the freelancing? Why can't they talk? Easy now, it don't come account of their dragging, now you kill them, now you kill them. Why you people are also dragging hospital? How can 2 people kill a person? Hospital, you are suing for millions, and on social media you are dragging Sharon, you should bring out the remaining property. There is a very big foul play that is around Mama Sharon. Yes, that one will never be ruled out. Because the way Sharon Mama te enter Sharon house is too fast. It's too fast. If you love Sharon, now inside that meat job when they say you they do, where you know they get time for her. Now you they do, where be say, go and train her 2 children there, you and your boyfriend. Who made the decision? Is it the boyfriend that decided to say, let's sue these people for negligence or whatever? I always say it. If you see people who accuse this first, people who know how to first accuse, lay accusation, their hands are very dirty. Their hands are dirty. That's why they are doing all those things. I'm telling you, there's no sincerity in it. Because the fact that Izzy is coming out to talk. Anything where Izzy just talk, they'll say, this one, that, oh, now you talk out. Oh, what are you bully? What you going on? I don't understand. It's foul play. There is money related something. Because if you even see the people Mama Sharon took that thing to. Because Mama Sharon knew very well that Sharon is a public person. Or that she know it. Why is she not sitting down when she's seeing the turbulence outside? To sit down, to speak to the people by herself. I always say this thing. They'll say, you know what, do Naija. It's not a matter of Naija. I'm not saying to say maybe you want to no. Why is she not talking? Go watch Mama Ego video yesterday. The smart baby mama called in. Okay, the smart baby mama calling. I'll go and cut the place. Someone must have told them to sue lately. Remember the guy came out when it happened newly and asking that they should do a protest concerning how people died in the hospital. So they may lately come to the conclusion of suing. So why not saying it? Why is Izzy supposed to be the one to say it? I'm not saying that things like that cannot happen. You might be very right, yes. So why is Izzy supposed to be the one to say it? Why didn't they say it if they are the most cleanest people on earth and they are the most genuine people? Say now they clean pass. When I hope you guys a public figure or whatever, or you don't value the role your child is holding in the public. Is it about saying only I must respect EJ? It's not only about saying EJ. This one is reality, saying things the way they are supposed to be. Okay, when you people now come to the conclusion that okay, I am Italian citizen, what's Wamanata? What if people didn't go to that newspaper? If it didn't come out for people to go and see very well that Asizi Kinegbe Sharon. So why get time? I'm ready over. That is what you people will be saying. And everybody will be donating money every year. When you know that case will last many years on ground. When you know that case is not one day. For how many years, my darling people? A case is for 2 days. I've not seen such before. Murder case lasting 1 month on ground. They don't allow it. You know how many courts, how many cases they cut. Somebody say Rita is not everything they will publish. Izzy is just wanting to disgrace them. But now lie. I tell you that is a big lie. You have been on this social media, you have been enjoying everything that these people have been saying on Izzy. So how do you want her to express herself that she's not involved? Somebody like me now, how do I express myself? I'm asking you. Are you the one that will express myself for me when I'm still alive? I never can go out. Are you the one that will tell you, this is what I wanted from Izzy? That's what she did. Come out and talk. Let people read your body language. That's what it is. You cannot tell, I know I talk. You see me, so my friend, that one I dislike it. That's why I'm also wanting that woman to come out. Let her talk, because I don't ever it can never challenge. I beg. Now with the use only Sharon Matt, Izzy Matt, they talk. Anything where Izzy talk, they'll say you despise your friend. You just want to spoil them. What about what they are doing to her? Have you ever thought of that? Have you ever thought of that? To say, okay, this one is a human being, but you might understand why you people did you try to cover your shit with Izzy, or you want to wrap up your shit with Izzy? Does it easily work like that? Now I use on shit to wrap them up. The fact that you have problem, Izzy is not my friend though. No. But if to say person will really talk truth, the way they happen for social media, let's be sincere. This one is, I don't be like them where they do it. Matter because of say I hate you, I don't hate you. You understand? It's not logical. Or maybe logic. Because why Sharon Rego? Who did you people apologize to? To say Ikinegba Sharon waya Rego you no gaji asize Ikinegbeni hospital my ladian we ladian matamuwa. The genuinity was not there, it wasn't flowing, there was no flow of information. As long as the flow of information was not there, and the people, you know, that is where you will know that there is a lie. Because that is why you see most of these big people for Benin, where you know Sharon, all of them, they stood away. Maybe get what they hear for inside us. They don't want to be saying that they talk and not do see on the social media. You have to call that one. What about the body of Sharon? Why we are not talking? Because I see and say many people, they even the saga who don't die now. Then the saga who don't die say na you negligence, na ikbayan, na you negligence, na you do this one, na you negligence, na you do the other one. Yes, but you people are so in a hurry to quickly say, Imama is not involved, Imama don't do anything at all. But why is the mother not talking? Izzy is the only person that knows Sharon's mother physically. Okay, they say na Pekin, she don't return the Pekin, go give them. What exactly is it that they are dragging Izzy for? They have to say it by themselves so that everybody will understand. Social media is not understanding what they are dragging Izzy for. It's not clear. People need it. It needs to be clear. Who want more information? You get Sharon and property no go no busy. Why you people not saying it? Let it be clear so that everybody will understand. Because even in my area drag Izzy by was say when on la reine do guan. We're going and okay. Is ya me? The mother they pursue me they go. Because the mother don't let me and my mama rest. They say now we collect Pekin for a hand. Now we cause and make Pekin not do this one. Then leave, which everybody will do. Every normal person will do it in this abroad. Why who make any more problem or with me? I leave your Pekin for you. Abi? Okay, if you don't carry your Pekin, go. The time we only you can do with your Pekin and that's something can happen. When you deal with these people, you didn't buy in their hand. They to say in their hand now, you say now you can't take and you can't take. You reject it in me now. Or maybe you see your boy. I'm get 3 days of buffer for your hand. Yeah? So, can you do a suspecting now? For a very long time, I said the suspect, my darling people, because it's not clear. Now, that really supposed to talk and say, Sharon get problem, you really get problem for head. Where they say they can't do operation. You understand? The mother is supposed to say it. Why is she suing the hospital for negligence? Okay, did the hospital lie? What are people supposed to even take and believe? You say no concern now, but in the hospital, you they pass back, they call different presenter, they go make the fight is which kind you don't concern them? You over concern them. This is social media. The people are very interested. That's why you see people are following the case. You can never hide the truth from the world. The truth remains that Sharon might really have that problem, according to the Italians. She might really have it, but everybody knows the consequences of having that thing. Sharon is just like a child, like a special child. He's supposed to be like a special child to the mother, or the family, or the people around. He make a bleeding everywhere for many years. I went on the operation. Maybe you have money and maybe you read. You know when people want to go for operation, they read about also the side effects of that operation to say, okay, what if the side effect be like this? You get it? Eh? I will say, I'm sure she refused the surgery out of fear. All right. Eh? Maybe they fear the side effects. Somebody is calling me. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, how you doing? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, happy evening. I just dey watch you. When I say you dey live, Abi, I dey watch you.
I dey live here.
Yeah. When you get something when you talk now, when I want to contribute, I should contribute.
Yeah, you can say it.
Okay. There's something about this investigation of a thing. Just, I don't one point where I collect for what you talk just like that. Yeah, about the investigation, you know. If not true, say they invite this lady, may come do operation for head. You know, say the investigation will even reach that aspect. So this case of a thing will be useless.
Yes, ma'am.
I think because they called her to come and do operation because they informed her about it, and she never take it up. So it's not their fault. This complication can come somehow.
Yes.
But they'll still look the other hand whether now doctor's fault also.
Yes.
But if it is true, this way people they go capitalize on that very aspect that you were supposed to come and do what you're supposed to come do.
According to news.
Every investigation must be taken.
And they know they release that body. If you see that newspaper where Italian people release, they write and say every medical record of Sharon was quickly collected by they hold and wear for hospital. Because they will start from the medical record. You know, say every day when person say they go hospital, there's a medical record, particular doctors, maybe any doctor where you don't ever visit, the name